Jason Fu, also known as Fu Long Fei, is a Chinese actor. He was born on May 21, 1988 in Leizhou, Zhanjiang, China. On December 7, 2019, Jason announced via Weibo that he is married and is going to be a father. On January 15, 2020, his daughter was born. In 2021, he starred in Fall in Love with Him. He is working hard, he achieved a lot of success, and among people he made a good impression. In 2019, he appeared in The Night of the Comet. The same year, he also played Legend of the Raiders. He has received critical acclaim for his acting skills and comedic portrayals of characters and has experienced a rise in popularity as an entertainer due to his charming personality and on-screen presence. In 2017, he starred in Kai Feng Chi Tan. The same year, he also played Cambrian Period. In 2015, he appeared in Intouchable. In 2020, he worked in movie Mulan the Heroine. In 2018, he worked in movie Concerto of the Bully. In 2017, he worked in movie To Love or Not to Love. In 2021, he worked in TV show The Flush Band. The same year, he also worked in TV show Singing for the Central Axis of Beijing, Go Shoot, Street Dance of China, Season 4 and Born to Dance. He became famous in the country through his melodious voice and extraordinary lyrics. In 2020, he worked in TV shows Shine, Super Brothers. The same year, he also worked in TV shows Landing in Paris and Masked Dancing King. In 2018, he starred in Unlimited Song Season.